In this video, we're going to be talking about differentiation. So this is a topic that will come up either in the Further Maths Level 2 GCSE or in the A-level curriculum. And it's one of those most powerful things in mathematics. Now, what it does is it looks at the rate of change. Now, this is a fancy phrase, but if you see it in an exam question, your mind should be saying, I'm going to differentiate. Now, what we do is we write the rate of change of y with respect to x as this thing here. We're doing dy by dx. This is your derivative. Now, sometimes you'll see this notation here. You've got f of x, so we're talking about functions, and this dash here means we have differentiated. So in a question, you may be asked to find this dy by dx when you're given y. So y is a function of x. Now, for these sorts of polynomials here, so polynomial being different powers of x with some number in front, all we do is multiply by this power up here and then decrease the power by 1. But if we differentiate just a single number like 5, when we differentiate it, it disappears. So let's have a look at examples. So find dy by dx when y equals x squared. So our dy by dx, what we do is we multiply by this power here. So we're going to have 2x, and we decrease this power by 1. So 2, take away 1, it'll be 2x to the power of 1. But in mathematics, we just leave it as 2x. Another example, we've got y equals 4x cubed. So let's find our dy by dx. We multiply by this power. So we've already got 4 out the front. We're now multiplying by 3. So 3 times 4 is 12. And we take our power and we subtract 1 from it. So 3 subtract 1 is 2. Now for our last example, we've got y equals 5x squared plus 3x take away 10. So we've got multiple terms on our right-hand side. And we look at these individually. So we'll deal with this one first. 5x squared. So we're going to multiply by the power. So 5 times by 2 gives us 10. Decrease the power by 1. Well, 2 take away 1 is just 1, so just x. And then we move on to the next term. So we got 3x. Now here, our power is actually a 1. So we're going to do 3 times 1, which is 3. But then we're going to take away 1 from the power. So we're going to end up with x to the power of 0. Well, we know what x to the power of 0 is. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. So it just leaves us with this number 3 at the end. And the last bit is we got this minus 10. And again, when we differentiate a single number like this, it just disappears. So our final answer is 10x plus 3.